So I hope you just enjoyed this video, and make sure you like and subscribe. Leave us a comment of what you think. Oh wait a minute, I actually got to go, this is not the end, this is the start. Alright, let's film the start then. So we're at Bald Hill Lookout, and both cars are doing awesome. Ryan's just booking because we've got to book camp, but yeah, look at this view. Hill End's village down there. You can see the roads down there, and it's just 360-degree views. The trig point, so it's roughly about 400 to 500 k's we've done so far. So had to take breaks because of my back and my leg going to sleep, but yeah, so you got the trig point. But yeah, hope you like the footage. Well, as we were enjoying Bald Hill Lookout, the rain started to come in, as you can see. It's braving the rain. Look at this fence. Watch the road. Over 100-year-old fence, and it's still here. Can't say that much for other fences that get built today, huh?
Look at the houses.
Dotted along the cliff.
It's all the way down there.
All down there. You can see the roads just down there too.
That's the bridle track. This is the biggest one anyway, other than Bald Hill. We'll go around to the other one too.
Thunder. Thunder.
Funny you get up to these sorts of things and there's no rocks on the ground because everybody picked them up and thrown them down. You see how deep it is?
See how deep, yeah.
It's full up.
Is it electrified? No, no. Oh, that would have been funny if you just zapped yourself.
The back of your hand. That one was... Oh,
let's see if I can do it.
Not full up, but it's crooked. Look at that,
Holy shit.
And there would be mines all the way along there too. You think, shit, they come all the way out here with nothing.
The camera doesn't show how steep it is.
No, it never does.
It's like straight down. And all this is just what they dug out. Oh, I didn't get that on the camera.
Just when you were zipping up. It's just mine shafts everywhere.
You can see them, the fences and the shale down there.
How steep it is too.
Hey?
How steep it is down
Yeah, it's like straight down. Notice so many goats. So many. They must know it's national park and you can't do anything. That's why there's just so many goats. Is that now it's starting to come down?
That's right.
Just as we get to the top. Oh, back to the car. Thank God we got the GoPro because it's waterproof. Rightio, I just had to clean the GoPro back in the car. Can't wear my sunnies because it's too dark. But holy shit, look at it all. We've been delaying We've been delaying setting up camp because of the rain, but it's clearing up, like it's clearing up heaps fast, so it should pass and we should be able to set up camp. We've booked 2 campsites next to each other, so we have that space, we can separate. And at the moment there's only 2 caravans in that whole area. We'll do video footage of it. I'm sure we will do, because we've got some time. But yeah, we're just gonna go either set up camp or try and find something else. So this is what we've come in for.
They've just graded the whole thing, so I don't know what it's like.
I can't zoom into it, but we might do it, we might not. Depends how this works. Yeah, I know. Look at the water. Wow. And kangaroos are just going, yep, that's a fact of life. Yeah. So it's cooking anyway. Got a little buddy right there on his own. This place is amazing. It was just storming and now it's clearing up. My bucket of water filled up in about a couple of minutes. So that's where you're staying tonight?
There's a Kero heater in there, a kid's porta potty.
That says Hill End Hilton right there on the wall.
Yeah, but there used to be a sign.
Okay. You can't really see in there. Oh, you could really open it. It's not even closed.
It's not.
Oh, there he is. A wallaby. No little kangaroos and ducks.
Yeah, they get inside there.
Here's our easy anchors.
At least something temporary.
Yeah, I should. So the wind was going in sideways, that's why there's tarp on the front. But yeah, we're using the easy anchors again to keep everything up. I try not to record too much because the music's on. Alright, so Ryan's down on the creek. He's gold panning, so it's not my sort of thing, but we'll get some video footage of that. But yeah, I'm just having a little explore around the area because it's all crown land. We can go in here and we can hopefully fly the drone. So I'm gonna get some practice in with the drone, and you'll probably see my pretty crap flying. Anyway. Alright, so now laughing at me, this is my second time ever flying a drone. So I'll see if I can get it. It's nice clear land. I shouldn't have any problems, but I'll probably go straight into a tree anyway, so we'll see what happens.